over the year as the population in the world is increasing. Save the water is a must. Many of us know or would think that we have 70% of water and 30% land. How many of us know that only 3% out of 70% of water is fresh water? The rest, 67% is saline or salt water, and we cannot consume it as it can harm our body. I haven't finished yet. Out of 3% fresh water, only 0.4% water is drinkable, and rest of the 2.6% of fresh water or drinkable water stand in is unapproachable to humans. Instead, are in polar ice caps or stored too far in underneath the Earth's surface to be extracted. Furthermore, much of the fresh water that is accessible has become highly polluted. This picture can show us how many percentage of water can be drinkable. As a result, 884 billion people around the world are lacking fresh water to drink. However, most of the Malaysians are unaware of this alarming situation, as we have enough supply of water to drink and to be used for other house chores activities. They should know the water must be saved as Earth's population is increasing. According to SAIS, a Malaysian wastes about 50,000 liters of water every year. The daily water requirement per person set by the United Nations is 165 liters, but Malaysians use up to 300 liters every day. This means that the amount of water wasted by a single Malaysian is enough to meet another person's needs. In conjunction with World Water Day, which is set on 22nd March every year, to remind people about the importance of water, I suggested a few ways to overcome the water wastage. One of them is, don't keep the tap running while brushing the teeth. Even though the issue seems to be very simple and can be easily tackled, but not many taking it seriously. To overcome this problem, the automatic sensor tap can be the solution. First of all, it will be very helpful when we use the tap while we brushing our teeth. We have a tendency of letting the water run while brushing. By doing so, we can waste approximately about 200 gallons of water per month. If you wonder how much the 200 gallons of water is, 200 gallons is equal to 3,200 cups of water. The price ranges 77 Malaysian ringgit to 250 Malaysian ringgit depending on the quality of the material, but the price is still affordable for anyone. Moreover, there are many online merchandiser and hardware shops are selling this automatic sensor tap. In short, this product is easily available anywhere to be purchased. This picture explains how the automatic sensor tap is fixed and functioning, and it can be fixed by anyone by looking at the manual, and if not, we can get a plumber to fix it. Secondly, some of the shopping complexes have been using automatic sensor taps. For example, the ones in my neighborhood, Queens Bay Mall and Uni Plaza. Despite saving water, this tap prevents germs from spreading too, especially during this pandemic season. Hygienic has been the main concern of everybody. On the other hand, this automatic sensor tap has some disadvantages. When the battery life is over, we can't use the tap until we replace the battery. However, it's not really a drawback, as before the battery wear out, it will be shown by an indicator. Sometimes, if it is hardwired or there is a power cut, the tap will not be usable.
Okay.
Despite the few drawbacks, the automatic sensor tap can be best product in the market to save water for the future. I wish many of us would buy this product in order to live a sustainable life.